Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix uh, Valorant error code 62. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then type services, and after that scroll down until you find services that starts with V, and here we'll find VGC. Right click on it, click properties, make it automatic, and then click start. If you can click on it, just click start and click apply, and that's it. Now just go back and type here control panel. Now go to system and security, then Windows Defender Firewall, and click this option here, and now turn off those two options, and of course you can turn it on whenever you want. Just come back here, and when you finish playing, just come back here and turn it on and click OK. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it for today's video. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.